has rainbow hair, and do you like it? I was doing yellow because I like the yellow. Hi, my name is Abeera. Today, my mom made this doll, and I'm going to show you how to make it.
Show the doll.
I'm going to name her Lala. If you can copy me if you want. You can make the same one as my mom made it, or you can make a different one with different types of hair colors, like my mom did. Let's begin. I have a tissue paper and open it up, and then fold it up like this, and then do the same thing to the same side. Like this. And then you have to have some string. You can have different color types of string. Cut it with a scissors. So you will be needing some string, and then you have to do like this, and then so you have to get string. Put the tissue in the middle, and then do one like this, the other like that. And then fold it, get a rubber band, put it over, but ask a parent. It might be difficult. So ask a parent if you're not sure how to put a rubber band. And I made this design, so if you're confident enough, then just do it by yourself.
Yeah.
Now I will cut the hair. So I cut this, and now I need to cut it. So I cut this, so I have to cut a little bit more. If you want to do different size, then do it. But if the scissors too sharp, ask the grown up. I'm going to make a different side. Like my hair is different size. And I have a big pen thing, so I can color it a little bit more. I actually love this color. I never used it, but I like it. Even I'm going to use this one, even though I don't know what. Ooh, I like this color too. Don't rush, it's okay. You can do from any side if you like. You can make it funny. You can make it fun. Funner than you. Funner. Fun. Fun, fun, fun. You can do super fun. So I made it a little dress. I'm sorry, I forgot that we need 3 cotton buds. Fold it like this, and then put it in here. And then so I did this, and now ask your parents to stick the cotton buds like this. So my mom sticked it inside. So you can use any type of tape. Now I can do the shoe. So I can do the shoes, or I can do the nail colors. I'm going to do the nail color first. I'm using all of the favorite colors that I like. You can do different nail colors, or you can do the same. Take your time. Even you can make the shoes different colors. You can make it with nail color or without nail colors, or with shoes or without shoes. Look at my doll. I have something else. I'm going to be coloring the hair rainbow. Oh, I forgot one thing. So I made it a pretty necklace. So ask a grown-up to help you with this. To put it around your doll. You can have one, or you can not have one. So ask your parents to tie a knot at the back. Now I will be doing a rainbow doll. I can decorate it however I like. It's all white, but I was doing some red here by accident. I can make it an angel if I would like. So, look, I have 2 dolls. Actually, 3 dolls.
Yeah.
It has rainbow hair, and do you like it? I was doing yellow because I like the yellow, and I made it this dress. You can make different designs if you would like. You can make hearts, you can make different kinds of things that you would love. Now I need 3 cotton buds again. Do you like my dolls on my video? This is my new little unicorn with wings. I bought it today. And I like hugging him. Unicorns with wings are called alicorns. And I like that it had stars right here. And it has star eyes. And it has good hair. And it has like good feet. And a nice tail. And one side it doesn't have any stars, and one side it does. Bye, like and subscribe.